Storm was before the snowfall. Team artist. Also, helpful hero Martin Valkyrie. He defeated the evil one totally. He had saved the world. He the gadget community forever. This was all. We thought this was a joke, but since it was found all over the internet. Your bunch of NASA have gone together to inform you about the end times in the Bible. The end times is broken off, which will call the Lord himself returning to align as a saw. The end begins with the cataclysmic event, an event we are here to warn you about. Ancient plan, the plane, the ship, the enormous group called the Lent system has spotted approaching Earth. This planet is massive. This ship is massive in size. Hence will begin. This planet striking this planetizing Earth. And one of thing is D-Day in 3 weeks. We were once close enough for Earth towards it, and the two will collide. Any civilization. Ask the world government so we know about this for weeks. There's nothing not to tell the general public to avoid mass panic. We imported into this broadcast because only you will not inform about such an event. We believe the right to people such an event is single. The most watched TV series are being hijacked across 50 countries. There's hundreds of people in this point. Certain publics made them. No one wants such an event for them. They don't tell us. You? After your ship taken from a spaceport in astral world. Do not fear. Once the planet collides, the Lord eternal alignment. Those without be warned. He will spend the rest of his eternity in the most unimaginable agony.
As most will be aware, a broadcast was hijacked 2 days ago, claiming the approach of the planet Nibiru was imminent. They claimed the governments were aware that this event would occur and preferred to keep it quiet in order to minimize panic and give humanity a peaceful death. With this broadcast being shown in over 50 countries and shared all over the internet, many have started to panic and accept this hijacking as fact. The government can confirm that this is not true. It is a hoax. The planet Nibiru does not exist. It is told in legend and in religious texts. Do not accept these as facts. People have predicted the end of the Earth via this way before and evidently have been incorrect. They have clearly stepped up their efforts to convert people, but in 10 days' time we will all see that this is nothing more than an elaborate internet hoax. Unfortunately, people are largely unaware of this, and those attempting to restore order and sense have been drowned out by those panicking. Large-scale riots are currently taking place in Chicago, with massive looting, violence and chaos.
All the elements you need.
Let's do another attack. This is good.
missile guidance systems have failed. They are now heading back towards Earth. Locations affected.
Houston,
Houston,
Texas.
United States. London, United Kingdom. Pyongyang, North Korea. Paris, France. Prepare for impact. So, keep tuning into the station for more updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the North American Aerospace Defense Command, the United States Department of Defense, and the United States government. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected a launch of 700 nuclear missiles from an unknown terrestrial location. The targets of the nuclear missiles are unknown at this time, except for the 25 of them. And the targets for the 25 nuclear missiles are Washington, D.C., United States, New York City, New York, United States, Miami, Florida, United States, Louisville, Ohio, United States, Kansas City, Kansas, United States, Tucson, Arizona, United States, Ottawa, Canada, Toronto, Canada, London, United Kingdom, Liverpool, United Kingdom, Madrid, Spain, Barcelona, Spain, Paris, France, Shanghai, China, Beijing, China, Tokyo, Japan, Hiroshima, Japan, Bangkok, Thailand, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Putrajaya, Malaysia, Jakarta, Indonesia, Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia, Surabaya, East Java, Indonesia, Dili, Timor-Leste, and Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. It is expected that these 25 of 675 nuclear missiles will impact the following cities within the next 35 minutes. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning. An attack warning means that an actual attack against this planet has been detected, and that protective action should be taken immediately. All residents on planet Earth are strongly advised to consider seeking fallout shelter immediately. If you don't get to a fallout shelter now, you may expose yourself to radioactive fallout. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to radioactive fallout may cause sickness, and most certainly, death. It will only take less than a minute for fallout to spread. Fallout spreads hundreds of miles from the detonation site. If you can't find a fallout shelter near your area, move to a basement on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are in a hotel or other multi-story building, do not use...
We interrupt this message with a new... 10 missiles have been found on heading towards Mars at the same location. The fact... You have new ones. These are Mexico City, Mexico, Cancun, Mexico, Los Angeles, California, United States, San Diego, California, United States, San Francisco, California, Portland, Oregon, United States, Seattle, Washington, United States, Ontario, Canada, Lisbon, Portugal, Paris, Dublin, Ireland, Copenhagen, Denmark, Brunei, Tel Aviv, Israel, Jerusalem, Israel, Hamas, Palestine, Israel, Taipei, Taiwan, Shenzhen, China, Hong Kong, China, another the Philippines, Davao, the Philippines, Seoul, South Korea, Pyongyang, North Korea, Moscow, Russia, right to Saudi Arabia, Dubai, UAE, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Cairo, Egypt, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, Colombo, Guatemala, Sao Paulo, Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Mumbai, India, Hanoi, Vietnam, San Salvador, El Salvador, We can't confirm about the others just yet, but we'll inform you soon.
The elevator.
Part 2 coming soon.